In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote to Notion. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. On the home page, click Login. If your workspace already exists, this will take you straight to it. If not, you can quickly sign in. I'll choose the Google option for a fast sign-in. When the Google window appears, select your account and continue through the prompt so Notion can authenticate you. In a moment, you'll land inside your Notion workspace. On the left sidebar, click Add a Page. This creates the place where we'll kick off the import. Give the page a clear, simple name you'll recognize later, for example, Evernote to Notion. Naming it now makes it easy to find your imported content afterwards. Click into the empty canvas under the page title to open the editor. In the editor, type a / followed by the word Evernote. That's Evernote. Notion /command pulls up tools and integrations. You'll see Evernote appear in the menu. Click Evernote, you'll be guided through a short flow. Click Continue to proceed. Next, choose your import location. I recommend selecting Private Page so the notes arrive in your private area first. This keeps everything contained while you review and reorganize. You can always move or share pages later if you need to collaborate. Click Continue again to start the import. Notion will connect to Evernote and bring your notes across. Depending on how many notes you have, this might take a moment. You'll see a confirmation when the import is complete. When you get the import complete message, click Go to Import. That opens the newly created pages so you can take a look right away. From here, skim a few notes to confirm formatting, images, and attachments carried over as expected. If anything looks off, remember you can quickly adjust formatting in Notion with headings, toggles, or columns, and you can drag pages around to reorganize them. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep the original Evernote content intact until you're satisfied with the import, just in case you want to compare or re-import. Use consistent page titles and add tags or properties in Notion to make your imported notes easier to filter and search. And once everything looks good, feel free to move the imported pages out of your private section into a shared space for your team. That's it. You've successfully imported Evernote to Notion.